Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. MC XinFin here. We had some explosive news this morning, so I decided to pop out a little video for you guys. We're in Asia at the moment, so I woke up to 15% green for no reason. What's going on? XinFin's just popping off. The whole market's red. So I jumped on the internet and I found that what's causing this pump appears to be XinFin collaborates with Vinter to launch a regulated XDC index. Now, if you don't know what that is, let me explain to you. Enterprise-ready hybrid blockchain tech giant XinFin has partnered with the index provider Vinter to launch an exchange-traded XDC token index. Experts suggest that this move will seamlessly connect the decentralized crypto system with the regulated market, the bridge. So there's a few articles on this I've noticed this morning. I'll link to the description below. To this very day, regulated financial markets have limited the launch of exchange-traded funds, but with legal compliance tackled and the new index rolled out for investors, this could be the tipping point for XinFin's highly interoperable, business-ready blockchain to be adopted in foreign trade and finance. It's huge. The technology will now connect legacy payment systems such as SWIFT to blockchain architecture. Overall, this means new possibilities for developers to create modern solutions by using capital markets for financing. It's the holy grail. It goes on to say, the new XDC USD listing, set to launch March 2021 today, also marks the beginning of a more controlled exchange-traded products that use the XDC as the benchmark currency, the standard. Adding to the confidence institutions and traders need to invest, this new index will also allow financial institutions to engage with the enterprise-ready blockchain platforms securely. It's fantastic. It's moving us out of the back room into the front row. So I was checking out Twitter to see what Vinter have got to say. The partnership is about creating ETF and ETPs, which I believe are one and the same, to be honest, based on the XDC token. So Billy Adams has piped up on the Twitter as well here. When Billy speaks, you better listen. He goes on to say, this is Vinter and XinFin breaking ground by connecting the most enterprise-ready hybrid blockchain with the regulated financial markets. That is it in a nutshell. This is the old and the new being bridged by XinFin. It's fantastic. So who are Vinter? I popped on their website this morning. Vinter was founded in Stockholm in 2019 with a mission to further the global adoption of blockchain technology. For this, Vinter developed the first ever crypto indexes in the Nordics, approved by the European Securities and Markets Authority. Vinter introduces crypto assets to the traditional finance industry and reliable pricing and trust to the blockchain community, the bridge. The products bridge the professional investment industry and the blockchain community. So this is where you see the blue chips rising up with these type of partnerships, setting themselves apart from most of the garbage that's in the crypto game. Vinter is a multinational team of individuals with diverse backgrounds and experience in cryptocurrency research and trading, data engineering, corporate law, investment banking and structured products. This is the beginning of a new era. So the XinFin Blockchain Network and Trace Financial team up to provide counterparty risk mitigation. So Transformer, who are going to be supplementing the old system and bringing it into the new with SWIFT. They've partnered with SWIFT. They're going to be using the XDC masternodes. That's why it's so exciting. Transformer will help financial institutions convert their traditional messaging formats for financial instruments into the blockchain recorded identity that enables counterparty risk mitigation through secondary market channels. So SWIFT are using this. XinFin have partnered with them, and this is the network of networks beginning to show its value. So I went on XDC's official channel this morning. They've put more confirmation on there. We want to pave the way for adoption. As more institutional investors enter this promising space, transparency and compliance move to the centre stage, and this is what we've been focused on for the past 2 or 3 years. So in other news, we've got more fantastic news. XDC rally continues with recent liquid exchange listing. Now, liquid exchange didn't roll off the tongue too much to the crypto community because it's more for the traditional finance space. It's a fiat on-ramp, which is very important. That was once the holy grail as well. I think they've got about over 60 fiat pairs. So we've just onboarded with them, or they've just onboarded us, I should say. So investing.com have put an article out on this. I'll link that in the description below as well. It says here, XDC's native asset, XDC, has added more fuel to its rocket as it recently got listed on the liquid exchange. Now, XDC will go live on March the 10th with the Singapore dollar, USDT and BTC trading pairs. Another fantastic step. I'll give you some background. Founded in 2014, Liquid is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency to fiat exchanges. As I said before, over 60 fiat pairs, and the platform serving millions of customers worldwide. We are constantly ranked among the top 10 regulated cryptocurrency exchanges globally based on daily traded spot volume with deep BTC Japanese yen liquidity. We are focused on providing a great user experience and world-class services. Liquid's mission is to build a secure and progressive cryptocurrency ecosystem. And some other news this week, the ITFA held a webinar. I think Andre Casterman was speaking at it. If you don't know who the ITFA are, the International Trade and Forfeiting Association is a worldwide trade association for companies, financial institutions and intermediaries engaged in global trade, forfeiting, supply chain and receivables financing. Now, they had their little conference. I think Andre was speaking. The panel concluded that it's basically the XinFin show. Trade digitization is progressing at a rapid pace in the Middle East, driven by the need to reduce delays and operational costs and to extend financing faster. There is more to be expected from the Middle East in the foreseeable future as regulators upgrade laws on electronic signature and electronic negotiable instruments. This is XinFin. Digital solutions have become an important tool to manage and mitigate the outstanding inefficiencies of established trade finance practices. Back to TradeFin X. Digitization is now widely recognised as the most relevant way to innovate and to solve real-world problems. I'm going to leave you with the final quote from the R3 Cordicon, whereas there's a change of mindset occurring, and this quote is from the head of Distributed Ledger Technology and Tokenization at HSBC. He goes on to say, "Things have changed now. People have understood that it's not about disintermediation, it's about working collaboratively to build new platforms which are far more efficient." This is the network of networks, and we know XinFin's going to be at the heart of it, or certainly one of the arteries of the new system. So we're delighted with that. We're very excited with the news this week. I've woke up this morning to an explosive 15% to the green. Everything's red, we're green. Happens often. So don't delay on this one because you know what's happening. Who knows where this news will take us. It's going to be a very exciting month. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. There's some links below to the articles I've mentioned. I want to give a special thanks to Bag Invest, Darren, who puts a lot of effort in. Crypto Dynasty, Robin and Alex, you've been a fantastic help for me with this video, and I'll see you guys again. Hope you enjoyed the show. Take care. Ciao.